So friends, you can see that I have installed macOS Sonoma with a pre-installed Windows 11. If you want to know how to install macOS Sonoma on Windows, then this video gonna help you a lot, because in this video I'm going to show you how to install macOS Sonoma on Windows. So without getting much more delay, let's get started. To perform this process, you will need a minimum 32GB USB pen drive stick. If you're thinking to use 16GB USB pen drive, then it will work only for macOS Ventura. If you want to install macOS Sonoma, then 32GB USB pen drive is mandatory. During the installation process, your PC will start several times. As and when your PC restarts, you will have to access the boot menu of your PC and then again and again just select your pen drive and boot from your pen drive.
Friends, first of all, just ensure you have an extra drive to install macOS Sonoma. If you don't have any extra drive, then just right click on the start menu and select disk management, and from here, from any big drive, just right click on a big drive and just select shrink volume. On the value section, just minimum 100GB space. I am giving here 5MB extra. Just click on shrink. Okay, and an unallocated space has been created, and then again right click on this unallocated space, select a new simple volume, click on next, click on next, click on next, put the name of the volume as macOS, then click on next, click finish. Okay, new volume is created. Now just close the disk management system. Now open a browser and access the website olarilla.com. Now here just click on vanilla images, and here you will find everything: macOS Sonoma, Ventura, Monterey, whichever you want to install, you can find here. We have already downloaded the Sonoma image, so we will download EFI folders. Just click on EFI folder, scroll a little bit, and here you will find a list of EFI folders. Now you will need a software named CPU-Z. Downloading link will be given in the description. After installing CPU-Z, just open the CPU-Z, click on yes. It will take some time to open, just wait. Now here you can find the code name. In my case, the code name is Skylake. I am using desktop, so I'll have to download the desktop EFI as per the code name. In my case, it is Skylake desktop. So here is the desktop EFI. If you are using laptop, then you will find notebook series, notebook as well, Skylake, whatever it is you can download. In my case, it is Skylake. Then I'm downloading the Skylake EFI from here for desktop. Okay, the EFI has been downloaded. After downloading, you will also have to download more things like Balena Etcher, mini partition tool wizard, file explorer plus. All the downloading link will be given in the description. Now first of all, just right click on the EFI folder and click on extract it. Now you can delete the zip file. Okay, the EFI folder is here. You can put the EFI folder to desktop. It will be more easy to access. Now just insert a pen drive, minimum 32GB. If you want to install a Sonoma, then you will have to insert a pen drive, minimum 32GB. I am using 128GB. Then just open the Balena Etcher. Okay, Balena Etcher is opened. Now just click on flash from file and navigate to the folder and select Olarilla Sonoma and open. Now select a target, select the USB storage, click on select. Now click on flash. If you find this type of error, then just click on I am sure. Now in this screen, click on yes. The process has been started. You'll have to wait here for 20 to 30 minutes to complete the process. After flashing, it will validate itself. You will also have to wait here. Please don't use the skip button here. Okay, now it is finished. Just close the software and now go to the file explorer again. Now just install the mini tool partition wizard, which I have already installed. Just open the mini partition tool, click on yes, click on launch application. Now just here is the USB pen drive. Select the EFI partition and right click on it and click on change later, assign a letter and click on OK and just click on apply. Click on yes, it is done. Now just again open the file explorer plus and here you will find explorer plus. just right click on it and run as administrator. Click on yes. Just go to this PC. Here you will find EFI folder. Okay, now just here go to desktop and here is the EFI folder. Just open the EFI and select the 3 and right click on it, select copy and again go to this PC. Here open the EFI folder, go to again EFI and just right click on here and paste to items. Select replace the file and destination. Okay, it is done. Now you can close the explorer. Now again right click on the EFI and select change later. Click on OK and apply. Click on yes. Okay, it is done. Now if you open this PC, you will find there is no EFI. Okay, now you will have to restart your PC and access the BIOS menu of your PC. To access BIOS menu, you can refer this photo, otherwise you can search on Google. On BIOS menu, just set this recommended parameters which is available on your BIOS, and which is not available, just skip it. On security tab, just check the secure boot is enabled or disabled. You will have to just disable the secure boot. On startup tab, if CSM is enabled, just disable the CSM. On advanced page, CPU setup, just click on enter. Just enable the Intel virtualization technology. Next, VTD should be disabled. Intel hyper-threading should be enabled. And on devices, select ATA device setup, just click on enter and here the configure SATA as AHCI. After setting up everything, just click on F10 and press on enter. After setting up the BIOS, just restart, and to access the boot menu of your PC, you can refer this photo, otherwise you can search on Google. On boot menu, just select the USB pen drive and hit enter. From this screen, just select the install macOS Sonoma and hit enter. Just wait a little bit here. Now on the screen, just select the disk utility and click on continue. Now from the drop down, select show all devices and here you will find the macOS drive. Click on erase and from the drop down, select AFPS and click on erase. First time it will show an error, just click on done. Again click on erase, again select AFPS, just click on erase and this time it is completed. Then click on done. Okay, now just close the utility. Now this time select install macOS Sonoma and click on continue. Click on continue, select agree, again select on agree, and this time select the macOS drive which we have created and click on continue. Now you will have to wait here for 30 to 40 minutes. In between installing the macOS Sonoma, your PC may restart several times. Whenever it is restarted to Windows, you will have to restart again and access the boot menu of your PC and boot from the pen drive again and again. From the boot menu, select your pen drive and hit enter. Now this time you will find macOS installer. Just select the macOS installer and hit enter. When the Apple logo is showing, you will have to wait here for 20 to 30 minutes to completely boot up. Again access the boot menu of your PC and select the pen drive and hit enter. Now again select the macOS installer and hit enter. Again access the boot menu of your PC and select the USB and hit enter. Now this time you will see macOS is here. Just select the macOS and hit enter. Again access the boot menu of your PC and select the pen drive and hit enter. Again select macOS and hit enter. Now on the screen, just select your region and click on continue. Again click on continue, select not now, click on continue, select not now, set up later, skip and click on agree. Again click on agree. Now on the screen, just type your full name here, and here the account name will be automatically populated, otherwise you can set as your own. And here you will have to put the password and just again retype the password, and here you can put the password hint. Then just click on continue. Here you can enable the location service. Just click on continue, select don't use. From the drop down, select your city and hit enter. Now click on continue, select setup letter, select the theme as you wish and click on continue. Now on the screen, just click on quit. macOS Sonoma is installed. Open the install macOS Sonoma beta. This icon, double tap on it, and here just copy the files to your desktop. The copy is done, then close it. Now open the files. From this folder, open the OpenCore configurator. OpenCore configurator is opened. If there is an update, you can just install the update version. Now just select the tools and click on mount EFI. It is the hard drive where macOS Sonoma has been installed. It is the USB. You can see that it is USB storage. First of all, just mount the partition of your hard drive. Select mount and put the password of your macOS and hit enter. Click on open partition. Put the partition here. You can close this. Also you can close this. Now again click on here mount partition and click on open partition. Just put it here. Open the EFI folder. Here also open the EFI folder and just select this two. Right click on it. Select copy and go to here. Just right click and paste two items. Click on replace. Okay, now it is done. Just restart your PC. Again click on restart and restart your PC to Windows. Now just put the password of your Windows PC and hit enter. Now click on start and search for CMD. Open the CMD as administrator. Click on yes. Now on command prompt, just type this command. The command will be given in the description and hit enter. Okay, the operation is completed. Now just close and restart your PC. Let's see whether the dual boot option is visible or not. Restart. Now on the screen you can see that dual boot option is visible. Now you can just remove your USB pen drive from your PC and start the macOS. Now put the password of your macOS and hit enter. Successfully the dual boot is completed.
So hope this tutorial was helpful to you. If you find this tutorial helpful, then please consider to like this video and don't forget to share this video with your friends. We will meet on another day on another topic. Till then, take care.